the biggest. I've never seen one bigger than this. Use discount code JacobVile when you shop. What's in here, man?
Dan Langus. I got a blow through with 4X Max 12 monsters on a VFL 22K, and then I have JP 8x4s.
Whoa, you said 22K? That's like the biggest Korean. Is it Korean amp?
Korean.
I've never seen one bigger than this. This is probably the biggest. I don't know what else they've. I've seen the Terra amp, Space Cake, but that's not Korean. Wow.
Yeah, that's Korean.
What made you go with this big amp over like 2 or 3 amps or something?
I wasn't thinking at the time. I want to switch to 8K eventually, be more efficient with it, but
Yeah.
it's something I wanted at the time, and I got it.
Yes, sir. Well, you did good. I like it, man.
Thank you.
Did you build this?
My friend Tony helped me build the box.
Okay.
Drew Jones designed it, and then a bunch of my other friends helped me put the inside of it together.
Yes, sir. Did a good job. Do you know your tuning box specs or anything?
Port tuning's tuned 47.5, and it's a 3-to-1 ratio, fourth order.
Okay. Did you do any SPL on it?
No, I did a music tune in my friend's garage. I did like a 56.7 on 40 hertz.
56. There you go.
57.
6.7. Nice, man. I like it. And this is an 80 amp hour lithium.
There's 2 of them. There's one underneath of that also. It's underneath the whole entire thing.
Oh, okay. So you actually have like a. Okay, got it. Underneath of the battery bank.
Yeah, so I have 160 amp hour LTO with 330 single roll.
Did this help?
Yeah. That back used to flex horribly. That's all reinforced with steel back there behind that wooden carpet.
Wow. So you did fab work back here too. Oh, it's solid.
And same with this.
There you go.
Yeah.
Come a long way, I'm sure I could tell.
Yeah.
Have you ever shattered a glass? Never. That's good.
Yeah,
All right.
I got lucky.
Yeah, you did.
Definitely got lucky.
Yeah, thanks for all the info, man. I like it. The door pods and all. These are 6.5.
Yeah, DC audio 6.5 SS Pros.
Okay.
With some Alpine tweeters.
Sweet. Alpine head unit. Really nice layout. I like the box. I like everything, man. The splatter look. Have you decided ever to put like any kind of adjustments to the port, or did you?
I like how it is.
You did. So you never did any dial-ins.
Nope, never.
That means you're happy with it. I'm glad, man.
You got a video of me in Slam last year too.
Slamology. Yep. I went last year. Yeah.
Yep. You got a video of me on there too.
I meet a lot of people, man. To be honest.
Yeah, pull that whole entire unit forward.
Just pull.
Forward. Like go forward 20%.
Oh, okay, got it.
Yeah, it's so broken. It's
yeah. I see you. You can only do so much.
Just towards the pull apart.
Yeah. Nice. Let me take a picture real quick. Does this go up?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, nice. Wow. Woo. All right, yeah, man, I'd love to hear it.
Welcome to the family.
What I mean, I wasn't expecting that at first. That's pretty impressive, dude. You did a really good job for a blow through. Nice work, man. Usually you wouldn't expect to see a truck like this, and you're like, what's going on in here? And you're like, holy crap.
Use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.